100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and spun out until it's just damp. It is turned inside out and the center line has been marked. So let's go ahead and do the part where we put the camera turned off. Weird. Okay. Sleeve inside the sleeve. To do the horizontal symmetry, and we'll be doing a bit more this time. Alright. Alright, so let's get that. Let's see if that's smooth. Oh, there's... When they're on that back seam, ooh, I was going to say the easiest way is to do what I was doing, but those were being stubborn. Let's see if that took care of it. There we go. Alright, we'll touch up the sleeves. Alright, now that we've got that, we're going to take, you grab a yardstick real quick. Make this a little easier. So we're going to fold that back on itself, like that. We're going to grab right here and flip. And then run this under there for that seam. No, didn't want to play right, so we'll just pull it over and do it this way. Yeah, I don't know why it got all really bad. Okay, let's do that. And then I'll touch it up right here. Hold that. Something's being stubborn. Okay, so for those of y'all that watch me for when the struggle begins, I guess you'll enjoy this one. If you hear weird things, there's a lot of wind outside today. I'm just going to leave this. I'm not going to keep fighting with it. And then this can be folded over either direction. It doesn't really matter. Okay. We're going to go every 4 inches. And we'll put in some diagonals. Okay, and then we're just going to accordion each of these, tie, and then do the next accordion. Yeah, it probably would have been easier to not do every other. I don't know what I was thinking. Anyway, off to dye. This is at a pretty steep incline. It's over 45 degrees. It's going to be dye over ice, and we're just going to use Alchemist from Dharma. So let me throw the ice on. Hopefully I have enough. And then throw the dye on, and we will let it sit. We'll just let this melt through and see what to do after that. It's been about 4 days because of the weather. Been a little too cold, so letting it batch longer. I'm going to go ahead and rinse this out. Before somebody screams into the comments that I'm leaving the water running, yes, I know. It's well below freezing outside. Plumbing is in the attic. So if we don't leave it running, our pipes freeze. Alright, let's take a look. Well, that might have a face or a person in it. Not sure. It's not showing up in the camera view as well as it is in person. We'll see what it turns out like after it's rinsed. Or washed out completely. Here we have the front. And the back. Alright. Obvious thing to point out on this is the man right here. He's got a top hat, well, not really a top hat, almost a sombrero looking thing. Chin, like an overcoat down to his chest. What else? This right here was unexpected and unintentional. But I guess it kind of works because you have the small, medium, larger, and then this other inverted fan. So I think it works. You also have, well, let's see, the videos actually show it differently than the shirt in person. You have more of this, and I'm looking at the video to do this, but I was actually shooting for X's cutting across everywhere, and I don't really have those, which is a surprise to me. I guess these were a much tighter pull than this one little spot and then nothing up here. I think it turned out cool looking regardless. It's almost like a little hexagonal cameo or something right there in the center with that guy. I wish the colors were a little brighter instead of being so muted. I'm going to blame it on the temperature and the fact that the temperature in the house has been 65 because that's what we have it set at during the winter. But outside it has been below freezing for 3 days now, I think, something like that. So not really getting a whole lot of excess heat. While we have the temperature set at 65 in the house, that's normally that's like the lowest it'll go. Since I live in the South, it routinely hits like 72 or 75 even during the winter in the house without running the air conditioner. So anyway, you get the idea of what I'm saying. It's quite a bit cooler than normal in the house right now. Let me see. Is there anything else? I don't think so. For a single color, I think this was a single color. Wasn't this Alchemist? I think it was Alchemist. Pretty cool, honestly. I really like these ice dye colors that Dharma is doing. I know some of the other companies are doing the same thing. And if y'all want to give a shout out to your favorites, let me know what I should get and try and do some samples with. I can do that. I'll be placing an order for shirts and dye here shortly anyway. Shortly meaning next month or so probably. If you don't like the ads, check out my Patreon down below. I'm posting ad-free versions of the videos. I'm slowly posting historical videos too in case you want to have those as an option. Advanced videos too once I get going with it. Let's see, what else? I guess that's it. Let me know what you think down below, and until next time, thanks for watching.